What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And quickly, I don't want to waste your time. Just did an analysis on USDJPY, telling you everything I feel like is going to happen on USDJPY. So, for those of you that trades that pair, watch this video to the end. And for those of you that trade Forex, also watch it to the end, right? And the broker I use is TradeW. Use the link in the description to register with that broker. Quickly, let's go into my screen. Hello, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm welcome inside of my screen. Quickly, guys, I'll be doing a quick analysis on USDJPY. So for those of you that are trading USDJPY, watch this pair. These are like opportunities you might likely see, right? This is something I do all the time, although I haven't been consistent with it. Let me not bore you with those many information. Now, first of all, what I do is that I come to the monthly time frame. I've done analysis on this before. I'm just going to be recapping the whole analysis and all that, right? So I've mapped out my level perfectly. If you check back from the 1980s, the 19 since when no, I've not been trading since then. No, I've been mapping out my levels. Like, do you get? So now what I feel like is going to happen in this particular market is that if you check the general flow of this market, right, for the monthly time frame is up. Do you understand? But we don't trade on the monthly time frame. We just come to look for the whole general move. If you check the general move, it went up, it's coming down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down. Now it's like it's going up. Do you understand? So what the Monday is telling you is that it's coming down. If you check now, it came down. It's more downward move that is happening. So this upward move that's happening now is like an early stage of the move. Do you understand? Just like what happened at this point here. Just like what happened here, the early stage. Do you get? So the market went up. So this one didn't have like kind of an early stage because it just went up once and then pushed. So something like this is kind of an early stage. Probably the remaining 5 months of the year might be a bullish month. Do you understand? Or a bearish move, depending on how the market move. That one I can't see. That I can't control the future. So what I do is to look for the overall flow on the monthly, on the weekly is to map out my levels. You know, on the weekly, you start seeing your levels clearly. Do you understand? Check for patterns like this. So if you check this place here, it's looking like, oh, this market wants to start pushing to the upward side. Do you understand? So if I'm to delete this, that, you see what's happening at this point. You see that this market is changing from like from a downward trend to an upward trend, but it's at the point whereby I will consider it a change of trend. Now I won't consider it a change of trend because the market can still sell to the downside from this point it is, right? If it takes out this level that it is now, so let me put something here. If it takes out this level, you won't see this level clearly, but if I go to the to the daily time frame, you see it clearly and you see the whole move of this. Take at this level, this market most likely will continue buying to the upside, and here will be the next level target. Do you understand? So what I do on this channel, or what I do on this videos, right, on this series of my videos, is to tell you the direction I am looking at the market moving in, and then depending on your strategy or anything, you enter the market. You get. So, if you're a beginner, you might probably want to be paying attention and subscribing to this channel, watching all of my videos as well. So, the market is it's at a key level on the weekly time frame. So, let me go to the daily so you see what I'm talking about. Now, this is the monthly time, this is the daily time frame, right? This was the immediate trend. So, around this point of the market now, traders were making money, bro, a lot. So we are selling the market down till the change of trend happened around this point, or like a break of trend, a retest, and then we are not sure yet to say, oh, if this market is going to like break this level. Do you understand? Because this level is kind of a support, a resistance level. Look at when the market was at this point, it broke down, right? Market was at this point, it fell down. Market at this point. Now we are expecting a drop down. If this market drop down, me, I'm looking forward. I might likely sell the market at this point. Do you understand? Because this market now, the phase of this market, or um the structure of this market is not clear yet. Do you understand? So I would rather focus more on the selling part of the market. So, and I will be if I'm to target this particular market, I'm targeting kind of something like this. I'll be targeting around point like this. Do you understand? At that point, I'll sell from here to this point. But this it depends on if this level holds. Because now this one is what's forming now is today's candle. Today is Wednesday, right? What's forming now is today's candle. If you check yesterday candle it was kind of an indecision. So if you see a candle like this, it's telling you that oh, the market is trying to decide if is it going to sell from this point it is or is it going to buy. People were already selling at this point. Do you understand? They sold down till like this point. Market went, took their profits, and their stop loss, I mean for swing traders, is around somewhere this point here. So it's like this one now is like a second entry or for a chance to enter again for those persons that didn't enter before. Do you understand? For the sell move. So the risk now is at this point. So we have the risk is at this point. Even if this market sold, will it break this point here? This is another level you want to pay attention to. If this market sold, will it break this level? Will it get to this level and then push up to the upside? Or because if you enter this trade now, your stop loss is here. Now, if you are right about the direction, most likely the market will get to this point. Do you understand? If the direction is correct that this market wants to come down, it's the most likely the direction will get to this. This is a good point to put your stop loss, right? Most likely the market will drop to this point. Do you understand? The market will drop to this point. But if you are wrong about the direction, the market will just continue and hit you out and then continue going up. Then you start looking forward for the upward direction. Do you understand? Although this is the daily time frame, and me personally being a swing trader, I do not trade on the daily time frame. Do you understand? So let me delete this as well. So let's go to the 4 hours. Now, if I'm to come to the 4 hours time frame, listen, I've been taking advantage of this market. I took advantage of this market when it was around this point here. I took advantage of it when, although I didn't take this particular one, but I called out this particular move to the downside. I called out this one. This is the current one I'm calling for Euro USD JPY, but you can see you can see the whole move. It went in profit. People probably here would have, okay, I can't really say much about my entry, but you would have entered the market. You see the structure now. The markets went up, changed structure, started coming down. But now it started coming down, then you can see a huge turn around. So this was obviously the risk, this level here. So we're expecting the market, if we start selling now, short position around this point here, we start selling, our stop loss would be somewhere this level, and then our take profit, our first level target, right? Not our take profit, right? Because target at least 1:2. Well, this one is not still bad for take profit. But you understand what I'm saying, right? You enter the market here, your stop is here, your first level target. That's what some persons will call TP1, TP2. You're targeting around this level. Do you understand? So as a swing trader, right? So as a swing trader, this I'm giving you the structure for it. As a day trader, you have to do your analysis down further to like the 1 hour where you take your entry, or depending on where you take your entry, right? To either the 1 hour or the monthly, the 15 minute time frame. You understand? 30 minutes time frame, depending on where you take your entry. So you'll be targeting somewhere like 1:2 is okay, but around this bar won't be bad. So around this bar is 1:3, which is like a good setup. Do you understand? But targeting 1:3, I don't feel like the market might likely go all the way down to this point here. Probably like 1:2, it's fine. Do you understand? So this is my outlook for this particular market. I feel like it might likely sell, but at the same time, I'm not in yet on this market. Do you understand? It's on a deciding factor, right? If it takes out this level, I'll be looking out for more of buys to the upside. Do you understand? A this what I'm saying now, it's like it's coming from someone that understands trading, that has like 4 years worth of experience in trading. Take it or leave it. This market is either going to do one of these two stuff, right? It's either going to go up or it's either going to come down. It is not magic. I'm not even telling you it's not analysis. I'm giving you reasons why I feel like it's going up or it's coming down. But if it goes up, we'll be looking for more of buys to the upside. So around this point, there's a level around this point here. So probably if it goes up, it retests to the downside and then first target here and then continuously will start targeting the upper side. So this is my outlook for this is my outlook for USD JPY. And for those of you that are new to this channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also the broker I use is TradeW. use the link in the description, register with this broker. They are the best when it comes to the best forex conditions, right? And you can also get up to $200 cashback. Register with 3W, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.